Welcome to this unboxing of the wireless USB adapter. So let's take a look at the box. Now here's a picture of wireless adapters, but this is the one that's in the box. These are different models and types of adapters they have. Let's look at the other side of the box. Here are the features. See, with external antenna, USB Wi-Fi / BT combo. That's the one that's in the box. Okay, let's open up the box. There's a little lock tab over here, so that opened up. Okay, this is the adapter itself. It's quite light. Very light, actually. And here's where the antenna screws onto to give it better range to pick up a signal. 150 megabytes per second. That's what that stands for, wireless USB adapter. And if you pull this off, you see this plugs right into the computer. This is really helpful, especially if you have a desktop and you're looking to pick up a connection and you just can't run wire. So it's a good way to pick up a Wi-Fi connection. This is the antenna. See, that screws in to right there. You just screw that on and then actually it flexes. So you see you can move it around. And this looks like an Allen key that you use. Let's take a look. Not sure right now what this is used for. Let's take it out. We have the software driver, which you're going to need for the computer to install the adapter. Let's take a look at the instruction manual. I'm going to put this on right now. So I just connected the antenna. I don't know what that tool is for, but hey, I guess I can always use an Allen key, especially a precision one. Might come in handy. So this was the review of the wireless USB adapter. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like up this video, please subscribe. Feel free to leave comments, and thank you for tuning in.